Hey folks, Casey Dimmy here, TaxAllAcademy.com. Today we're talking about how to get the best deals through over-the-counter purchases. First off, what exactly are these over-the-counter tax sale properties? Simply put, they're properties that did not sell at the initial auction. When a piece of property goes to auction, but it doesn't sell, many states will offer these properties OTC, also known as over-the-counter. In some states, they could be sold for the highest acceptable offer. In other states, it could be sold at a percentage of that previous opening bid. It really just depends on the state and their process. It's important to also understand that some states refer to them as surplus properties or struck-off properties, but for the purpose of this video, to make it simple, we're going to refer to them simply as OTC properties. Now, this leads us to the next question. How do we get the best deals with these OTC properties? The answer is simple. Start early and check those lists often. Properties that go unsold at auctions could go unsold for a variety of different reasons. The two most common are the property has too much owed in back taxes, or that it is simply just a junk piece of property. Obviously, we can skip right over the junk properties, but if they had too much money owed on the taxes and it went unsold for that reason, those could certainly pique our interest. In most areas, the properties that go onto the OTC list can be purchased as soon as they hit that list. And the longer the property is on that list, you can pretty much assume the less desirable it is. If it's been on that list for 3 years, you can just about guarantee that that property is probably worthless. So back to my advice. I'd call the county and I'd ask how quickly unsold properties will go on their OTC list. Then check that list the day that they are updated. If you locate property that you want on that list, go ahead and pull the trigger quickly, after sufficient due diligence, of course. But don't wait around, because someone might come in and snag that deal out from underneath you. Another suggestion is to be patient. You might find as high as 30 to 40% of the properties offered at a traditional tax sale auction could interest you, where only 1 to 2% of the properties on the OTC list might interest you. So be patient, because OTC deals can and do take time in order to get the best ones. For more information on OTC purchasing or tax sale investing in general, head on over to TaxAllAcademy.com and check out our instructional videos. Again, it's TaxAllAcademy.com. That's it for today, folks. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.